How we doing, guys? This is gonna be honestly a crazy next 10 days for crypto. Part of the reason for this is the merge that's coming up, which I'm gonna talk to you guys about. But we have Bitcoin and Ethereum actually presenting two opposite signals on their price action patterns. So Ethereum just ended up getting a sell signal over here on a daily time frame, and it's been very accurate, very accurate, called the exact top here, the exact top here, the exact top here, and the exact top here. We have 4 sell signals in a row where this metric algorithm has called the top of Ethereum before we saw moves back down. Now, if you go over to Bitcoin, you actually see that we ended up getting a buy signal over here, which this called the exact bottom candle, this called the exact bottom candle as well. So we've got bullish signs on Bitcoin, bearish signs on Ethereum. And I'm going to go over 4 bearish signs I see today before the merge. And I just want you guys to watch this because this could get absolutely crazy. All right, quick update for you guys. We are currently in a scalping trade right now. So those of you guys who are following us, we're currently at 440% more than the S&P 500. We're really happy about this. You guys have been doing very well. We're managing a couple trades at the moment. So that's going great for us. I will show you guys in this video how to get our newest indicators a huge discount on this, 53% off, so stick around for that, but let's dive into the analysis today. Let's first start here. The first stage of Ethereum's 2-stage merge, codename Bellatrix, happens today. This is a past article, September 6th. The second stage, we need to pay attention to this, Paris, will happen between September 10th and September 20th. Only once both stages are complete will the merge be completed. Okay, stage 1, we're good to go. Stage 2, I've mocked up over here for us, which is between September 10th and it's between September 20th. This is probably going to get incredibly volatile between these next few days. I would say in the next 10 days, obviously between now and the 20th, but the thing is that it could actually, second stage could be finished from the 10th anywhere on towards the 20th. So it could be finished on the 10th actually, or the 11th or the 12th. If we read this article over here, it could be any time before this. Will happen between the 10th of September and the 20th. Okay, just want to make sure everyone's got this mocked up and we're going into this correctly. Let's take a look at this. These 4 bearish signs are bearish signs I see going into the merge. Sign number 1, we've got a clearly sell signal on the daily time frame. I'm going to do 1D over here, and this is bearish by nature, okay? As I showed you guys, if you look at this, it literally called the top here, the top there, the top there, the top there. I don't know if you guys understand how ridiculously difficult it is to call the tops of these candles here. Why didn't the sell signal go off here? Why didn't it go off there? Why didn't it go off there? It's because the algorithm, it's been doing an incredible job, and this is why we have a little bit of an edge on the market here. Quite a bit of an edge here. All right, let's move down here. Take a look at price versus money flow. Do you guys observe what's happening right here with price action relative to the indicator value? We have over here, if we look at the peak, here, this correlates to the low here. So we've got a low and a high that's been forming here. During the same duration, even if we come back here and we take this off and we look at the low here and where current price action is, we see that we're sloping it in an upward fashion. If you come down here, we can see that we're actually creating a high and a lower high down here on the price versus money flow being in green. So we have over here what's called divergence to the downside, and this technically is a bearish sign for price action. So we have price versus money flow, and this is divergence, and this is a bearish sign in the market coming into the merge. Look down here now at trend exhaustion. Trend exhaustion has been pushed up into this top red section here, which interesting enough actually correlated to the sell signal over here. And when we're in top red sections here, we must go back in the past and see historical data of how this has performed for us in the past to see if this is going to possibly correlate to future moves. If we take a look at this, we can go straight up here and we can see that Ethereum did see a decent move back down when that happened. We saw a decent move back down when this structure became overextended, as well as when this structure came overextended, it saw the move back down. We actually do not use any, I'm looking at this right now, we actually don't use any properties of the stochastic, RSI, MACD, MFI, no properties of trend exhaustion or money flow in the code. It happened to be that this actually is just lining up very well for us. So the confirmation on these is just really nice. So when we look at this, we can see in the past 4 times, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have seen drops in Ethereum when this happens. So the third sign over here that's very obvious to me is that we have trend exhaustion, and this is very high. okay? And this by nature is a very bearish sign in the market due to how overbought the market is on Ethereum at the moment, okay? Bitcoin has a different story. Now, the fourth one is a technical analysis pattern, which is called a bear flag. A bear flag is formed by an impulse move down followed by an ascending channel pattern, and that's what we're seeing over here. So this by nature, which is what's called, let me write it over here, it's called a bear flag, is a bearish sign in the market. Now, all these signs, could they come out and look bearish and then totally flip-flop and go the opposite way? Yes, but I do believe based off all these signs here, we have a lot higher percentage chance. Honestly, guys, I feel this is an undisputed higher chance that we are going to see some bearish movement in the market. From a technical analysis perspective, there's no way to debate this. These are bearish signs in the market from a technical analysis pattern as well as from an algorithmic pattern, which this is I say this humbly, guys, this is the best algorithm on the market in the whole world right now that we can find for calling tops and bottoms of crypto. There's not another one better, okay? So going into this next 10 days, I want you guys to be aware that we do have more bearish signs right now on Ethereum than bullish. So if you guys are looking to buy into Ethereum because you think the merge is going to explode Ethereum price, then I would possibly wait to see for the next buy signal on the daily time frame, the next one, or you guys go down to the 4-hour time frame and wait for the next buy signal that comes out on the 4-hour time frame, which is probably going to be down here, snag some of that, and then I'm waiting for the move back up on the 4-hour time frame, which will correlate to the move up on the daily. Okay? Let me show you guys how to get this massive discount right now, and I'll make this pretty fast, just to make it really simple. The trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow, those are part of what's called our bundle pack. Our bundle pack, you guys will literally get 82% off. We had this going on for quite a while. It's a deal we want to give to you. You are going to get those 2 indicators here, trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow. You will also get 7 other indicators for a total of 9, 2 Forex indicators never coded on TradingView before, our jackpot indicator called the pressure gauge, please use it responsibly. That is going to be our bundle pack. Anybody who has already purchased our bundle pack, email us and we'll give you a 53% coupon code for the new indicators here. Literally the best in the industry. I say that humbly. Literally, watch it for yourself, guys. All of you purchasing the bundle pack right after this video, you are going to get a PDF that says surprise gift. Open that PDF. It is a 53% off coupon code that you guys are going to be able to use on the top and bottom finder. You guys will be able to get access to this today and put it on your charts, guys, and watch this. There is not another indicator you have. I come from coding indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers. I'm confident to say this. There's not a single indicator you guys can put on your charts that are going to be able to call the exact candle height here that it has in the past. This is an algorithm, a mini-max algorithm that we're using over here 4 years in the making that really has done a really good job. Is it going to be 100% accurate? I'm not relying on it to be 100%, but it is the most accurate metric we have in the entire market, and this is how you get huge edges on the market, and this is part of the reason, guys, why our account is up over $3,000 because we are using this metric to scalp and get in and out of the market by accumulating as many coins as possible. So bundle pack first, get the coupon code that will give you the best deal. It's cheaper to buy the bundle pack first and then buy the new indicator than the new indicator by itself. It's actually cheaper and you get 11 indicators instead of 2. All right, guys, I love you. Last but not least, if you guys want to get a membership, you'll get that metric that I showed you guys, the top and bottom finder on the actual website charts, the crypto charts every single morning. You're going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then you guys are also going to get all of our trade calls. Every single scalping trade call that we use with the new metric, you guys are going to get those as well. So it's basically like, hey, come over here, snag the indicator that we truly believe is the best in the industry for crypto. And then on top of that, I'll teach you how to use it by calling scalping trades out. So you have all the education and the tool that you need to literally make as much money as you possibly can in these markets. And I'll leave this with you guys. I showed this to you yesterday, but a guy did $5,000 in the past 2 weeks using the trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow, which are the 2 indicators at the bottom. And this guy down here, literally, they bought the new top and bottom finder. They made their money back 24 hours. Guy made their money back in 48 hours already. Got set up yesterday. I've already made my money back. The new indicator is amazing. Everyone get it now. It's pretty awesome, guys. Have an amazing day. God bless you guys. Everything you need is in the description. I also pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. The indicators are what you guys want to snag and the membership. Have a blast, guys. We'll give you access, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.